Hey guys, are you want to buy best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at G.Skill Trident C5 RGB series, the G.Skill Trident C5 RGB DDR5 7200 32GB kit 2x16GB is a high-performance memory solution engineered for Intel 700-800 series chipsets and 13th-14th Gen Intel Core or Core Ultra 200 CPUs. With a sleek design and vibrant RGB lighting, it combines aesthetics and speed, offering blazing fast DDR5 speeds of 7,200 mount per second with tight CL 34 timings 344-545-115 at 1.40 volts via Intel XMP, ideal for gamers and performance enthusiasts. It ensures responsive multitasking and faster load times. The dual-channel kit is NANI-CC and requires enabling XMP in BIOS for optimal performance. Note that achieving rated speeds depends on motherboard and CPU compatibility. If you're building a next-gen Intel system, this memory delivers both striking looks and cutting-edge performance. Now our second product is Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 RM, the Corsair DDR5 memory module blends sophisticated styling with top-tier performance. Built with premium forged aluminum, it exudes quality and durability while delivering next-gen DDR5 speed, higher capacities, and blazing performance. Equipped with 11 vibrant, individually addressable RGB LEDs per module, it lets you customize your setup with dazzling lighting effects. The swappable top bar offers a unique twist. Swap with official accessories or 3D print your own for a personalized touch. Featuring Corsair's patented DHX cooling technology, it ensures efficient thermal control by cooling both the ICS and PCB ground plane, maintaining stability under heavy workloads. Perfect for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who demand performance without compromising on style. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM. Corsair's DDR5 memory takes system performance to new heights, delivering blazing speeds, higher capacities, and exceptional CPU processing power. With 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs per module, its panoramic light bar floods your setup with immersive lighting from every angle. Fine-tune your overclocking experience with onboard voltage regulation, offering greater control and stability directly through Corsair's ICU software. Create and save custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles tailored to your favorite games or apps for optimized performance. Whether you use vibrant presets or craft your own RGB animations, ICU lets you customize it all with ease. For advanced users, an XMP Manager preview is available for Gigabyte and ASRock DDR5 motherboards. Ideal for gamers and power users seeking speed, style, and full system control. Now, number 4. Corsair DDR5 32GB RAM experience next-gen speed and performance with cutting-edge DDR5 memory, designed to maximize your system's potential. With blazing fast frequencies and increased bandwidth, this memory empowers modern multi-core CPUs to access data faster, boosting processing, rendering, and multitasking like never before. Onboard voltage regulation ensures more stable and precise overclocking, made even easier with Corsair's powerful ICUE software. Monitor real-time frequency, fine-tune settings, and create custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles tailored to your apps and workflows. Whether you're gaming, editing, or running demanding tasks, This DDR5 memory delivers the speed and control you need to stay ahead. And our last choice is Klevv DDR5 RGB RAM. The Klevv CRAS RGB memory delivers cutting-edge speed, stunning design, and extreme performance for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Built with premium SK Hynix, ICS, and engineered by Cora, trusted global memory brand, this DDR5 RAM reaches blazing speeds up to 8,000 mounts per second. Perfect for overclocking and demanding AA games. Its stylish tone-and-tone aluminum heatsink ensures excellent heat dissipation, while the unique, hollow, linear RGB design lights up your build from every angle. With just 44 mm height, it offers low clearance and maximum compatibility for diverse setups, fully customizable with major RGB control software. The CRAS RGB isn't just fast, it's visually striking. Whether you're pushing limits in performance or aesthetics, this RAM is designed to win. Make sure to check your motherboard's QVL list before purchase to ensure compatibility. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.